Chapter 16. Let's speak about side effects or secondary effects of the moving floor technology. First of all, you see the abrasion of the moving floor. These are steel slats, but they are like a mirror. The picture behind me shows it quite simply. So the gliding effect that we need in the moving floor also leads to quick abrasion of the surfaces. Second effect, product jams. You know that moving floors can handle and can forward a lot of material very quickly, big heaps, big heights, big widths. So it is like a landslide, like may appear on the outlet side of such a moving floor silo. And in the worst case, it becomes a product jam. So second effect, if you don't have any metering devices, you may have a product jam. Third effect that I would like to mention is the bridging effect. You have the two side walls and they can make such a bridge inside such a silo. And if the material is very light, it stays in place. It does not move forward because the slats, they have naturally very little friction with the material heap, and we may have the situation that the forces to stay in a certain position by support with the side walls. They are bigger than the forces of the slats to move forward the heap.